regular meat for the rest of my life. Wouldn't do it. Not 1 billion. Even if you say, well, Jdun, there's no taxes after, I literally don't care. I'm not eating fake meat the rest of my life. Madeline, good morning. Right? The quality of life for me is more important than money when it breaks down to it. No bueno for me. I'm good on all that. All right. Good morning, everybody. So what's up? What's up? We're going to start going over charts in about 10 minutes-ish. 10 minutes-ish. Wish I could understand these charts. Well, you're in the right place to start learning, my boy. Damn, my Nuggets play tomorrow. Let's go. NBA is almost officially back, which is, well, it technically is officially back, actually, but for the Nuggets, it's almost back. You know, the Nuggets are about to feast this year for sure. We're about to feast. We're going in. We're going in. A-Bat shares. You want a kiss? Yeah. Oh, the Rockies are horrible, bro. They're so bad, dude. Like, I'm talking absolutely horrific. Bad. Oh my gosh, look at Beyond Meat. Wow. 660, that is wild. Technically speaking, I mean, we could watch for a pullback. Can't believe if I trade Beyond Meat today, I swear I'm donating all the money to farmers and real steak. Put your pictures on my wall. This is not so bad. Good morning, everybody. It's a beautiful day to wake up, put a smile on your face, get some sunshine, and choose discipline over dopamine in your trading. Heard it was going to be a good day. Well, you heard right. This is not so bad. It's not so bad. Be great. Put your pictures on my wall. I can't see it all. If I could, I'll be great. Put your pictures on my wall. We got 4 minutes. We'll start talking about some charts. NQ might be dry today. I hope not. I wasn't a huge fan of yesterday's open, so. How do you get started in this? So I have an idea of what you're talking about. Well, it depends on your experience, but if you've literally never seen a chart before, the first thing you got to do is just come and watch every day. Come, yeah, you know the vibes. Come watch how price moves. Or in the foundations, what is a candlestick? What is volume? What is long? What is short? What are futures? What are options? All the basic things that you really need to know. I also have some really good materials too on my my YouTube as well to get started. If you have any questions or want direction to anything specifically, you can always DM me on Instagram as well. It's the only place that I answer DMs. It's verified with 200 and like a lot of followers. 287K followers. Wild. I just got my first alpha account. Let's get it, baby. DOD. Come on. Nope. The only prop firms that I can recommend are in my YouTube description. I have partnerships with Apex. That's who paid me $50,000. Alpha Futures, who is just like Top Step but better in my opinion. Tradeify, who has straight to funded accounts, then FFF. Now, they're actually the cheapest right now. If you guys want a good prop firm that's the cheapest at this second, it's FFF, the Funded Futures family. They paid out. They just crossed over 10 million. Need the merch link. Here's the merch link. Get yourself a shirt. Come on. We'll get it shipped out today. Am I in? What would I be in? What would I be in? The market's not even open. Look at this BYND, guys. Look at BYND. Literally 50 cents. Penny stock up to $6. Yeah, I'm in. I'm in the zone to make some money, baby. That's what I'm in. I haven't even had my coffee yet. Just wait till I have my coffee. It's over. Once I have my coffee, it's over for them. Tweet some Team Bull hats. I really should have one. Maybe that'll be the next thing we make. We were trading gold last night with the gold on the wrist. I had both the rollies on. Saying, yeah. I'm going to grab my wallet. I'll be right back, y'all. Okay. Let's go. Banging out the gold nuggets. All right, got what I needed. Yeah, you like my Kill Tech shorts? Good morning, everyone in Team Bull. Appreciate y'all being here with the squad. Trading destroys your profits because it's the taxes. It's taxed at the same rate as your normal income. Like, for example, I'm in the highest tax bracket, so if every dollar I make, I basically get 37% taken away. I mean, I have a good accountant, and we get a lot of write-offs and stuff, so we get that down, but you get the point. Even if it's 30%, third of every dollar, goodbye. Hasta la vista. $50.80 card? What do you mean? We need another downtrend day stat. Ready to join Zoom? I got you, Greg. Oh, so I actually haven't opened it yet. I have all that stuff over there. I already have a 5080 in my computer here. I got a new setup for my office. I forget what it is, but it's not as nice as a 5080. I wanted a better computer for my office for when I trade at the office. And I also got a new laptop that has a 5090 in it. I mean, it operates at the same level as a desktop or a PC 5080, but fingers crossed, I'm going to test it out. It should be really good for if I want to travel and I still want to stream on all my platforms. I still want to stream my trades. I love Micro Center, dude. I literally am obsessed with that store. Like, I feel like a kid in a candy shop when I walk into Micro Center. Maybe it's just a trader thing, or maybe it's just if you're a nerd thing. But I love that store. Literally love it. 4090 is fine. I mean, 4090 is still a good card. I just am extra. We want to be the best. You want to be the best, you got to have the best. Oh, this red line doesn't mean anything. There we go. DOD. That's right. They're going to release CPI on Friday. Ooh, that'll be fun. I hope they release all of the data they've been holding back at once. I'm talking everything. Just unleash the dogs. Just unleash the freaking dogs. Well, yeah, let's get this beyond off the screen. We got... Oh, there's a deer in my front lawn. What's up, baby? What's up, sweetie pie? I always see deer. I see so many deers every day where I live. There's 2 deers. 3 deers. All the deers. Look at that. Look at all those deers just hanging out in my front lawn. Just walking across the street. Like it's nobody's business. Depends who you're asking if I feed them. If you ask my HOA, no, I've never fed them. Jdun, are you kidding me? Jdun's never fed the deers bananas or apples or anything like that. I would never break HOA guidelines and feed the deers in my backyard out of a bowl and leave them fruit outside at night. Meat? No. Hell yeah, I'm taking care of Bambi. I'm like Snow White up in this. Come on. I'm Jay White. I am the new age Snow White up in this puppy. The animals love me. We vibe. New age Snow White up in this bed. All right, we got 8 minutes. Grizzly, what are you watching today, my bro? Let's get it. What's up, Ryan? What's your YouTube name, Ryan? Look out for you. Let's go. Yes, there's 3 reminders today. There's you got to choose discipline over dopamine. You got to trade smart, trade safe. And yes, if you want to get paid out from Apex, that's the firm who got me you gave me a 50K payout. You can use code JDUN for 50% off. The links are below. Options and futures, Kendra. All right, guys, we got just about 5 minutes left. I'm about to throw on the glasses. Lick them puppies. Call me Snow White. Damn, they're chilling out there. Thank God Grizzly's not here. He'd eat them. The Clark Kents. We're catching some winners today, baby. It's just what's happening. I don't make the rules. I just enforce them. We're going to make ourselves a bag today. Grizzly Glow. Mr. Greg. Is anyone alive? Or am I a one-man army today? I can be a one-man army if need be.
Can you hear me now?
What's up, dog?
What's up, man? All good? My mic was mute. I was talking a lot.
You're talking to yourself?
Yes. It's going crazy now.
Bro, gold's been going bananas. You've been having some good levels on there.
Man, the gold has been playing really nice.
I know. I'm about to have it up on my screen today, too. I was trading it in Asia last night. We had a good idea on it.
Nice. Man, it gives you so much money.
So much. Especially when it's volatile like it has been, bro. It just moves.
Yeah. Yesterday, 7:45 p.m. Eastern time, man. It went crazy. So right now I'm looking NQ and GC at the same time. So on GC I'm looking this level right now, 0.74 and 0.81. If they hold this level 0.74, the scenario could be pumping until at least 4137.
Yeah, we got our levels marked out. Let's go ahead and get our split screen up. Let's get our SPY up. I'm also gonna watch. Sounds funny. I'm gonna watch. Damn, what the heck happened to SPY here? Wow. I'm also gonna watch Beyond Meat. Kind of funny. I haven't traded that name forever. Since like 2021. Thing is just moving. Literally nuker. We got 3 minutes, y'all. This is the time where I want you to dial in. I want you to do your morning check-in. Are we feeling good? Are we feeling focused? Are we feeling patient? Did you put your impulsivity to the side? Are you ready to execute? Do you have anything going on today that might distract you or take you away or deviate you from your normal trading plan? If all the stars align, feeling confident. Had a loss yesterday, but we're here today. We're back today, baby. We go back to battle. That's right. That's all you can do. All you can do is step back in the arena and give it your absolute best. If you're going to simply step in the arena, do your best, and choose DOD, you're going to be on a good path. It might go back down. We'll see. We got 1 minute till open. Got our 45 seconds. Let's get it. Trade smart, trade safe, stay focused, everybody. Let's go. Team Bull strong. Let's get it. NQ. Let's go.
Do it. Looking 240, no Q. 25240. Possible patterns. Watching price action.
Let's give you all trade smart, trade safe. If I were to trade beyond, I'd probably trade equity. If I had to. All right, let's see.
Netflix is in the bounce area. I'm watching everyone. I just hate to catch a falling knife. I want to see some sign of that there's actually supply there, or demand there, really. As I say, that starts bouncing like crazy.
Netflix. I haven't traded Netflix in a hot minute either.
They're down $100 off earnings. 100 points. Maybe a little more. 134 was my exact bounce area. I want to see at least a confirmation candle.
You're not even trading, just looking at a graph. Yeah. You know what? I think the better idea is I should, if I'm trading, I have to have my eyes closed, not looking at the chart. I think you're onto something. All right, guys, I'm going to find you a trade through my senses of eyes closed. I'm going to Helen Keller this trade for you. I'm going to feel the trade coming to me. Yes, I'm looking. As I'm looking at the chart. What? I'm never not interested. I mean, I'm never not surprised by something I hear every day. Yo, as a reminder too, I appreciate y'all liking this live. If you're on YouTube, we got 600 people in here and 60 likes. Come on, let's get those likes moving. Hit that thumbs up button. Let's get up to 200 here. Come on. If you're on TikTok, make sure y'all tap that screen over and over. Get them likes moving. Let's get that YouTube up to 200 likes, guys. Come on. I'm going to find y'all a winner today. I'm going to do my absolute best. What are you guys watching for?
I'm watching this Netflix for a possible call entry here. As far as bounce levels on NQ, I don't have anything until 25,128 area. When I think about Tesla, I think it has earnings. It's going to be contracts are going to be overpriced.
Beyond's dying. Did it get halted? I think Beyond's halted. It's halted, I think.
It was like I looked at it earlier this week at 90 cents. Went up to $8.
I know. Isn't that crazy? Damn, we had that's an aggressive first 5-minute candle.
Makes me hesitant on this Netflix. I would like to take calls right here on Netflix, but with everything selling off, we took calls here. We have to keep our stops with clubs below that 1128 on Netflix. I'm gonna hold off on this. Let's see where NQ finds this bottom right here.
Got the close below London low and below yesterday's low. So maybe if we see some sort of, it's hard because it's such a big candle. See, I pop back into here, we can look for shorts.
Like it's gonna retrace hard here. It's the previous day low. The T and then selling back off.
All right, let's see. BYND still halted. I got gold on my screen now, too. Don't make me start ripping some gold with y'all. Whenever we get some gold trades, we'll start putting on the rollie.
Gold is I feel like gold is much easier to trade during the late sessions.
Think so?
I don't like it during early morning session. It'll get away from me quickly.
Either make a lot or lose a lot. One of the two. Yeah, it's going right now. It's golden right now. Get it? It's going, but just a reminder, guys, to choose discipline over dopamine. This is the DOD team. We're Team Bull, but we're also Team DOD. I still haven't had my coffee yet. Gene. Mr. Gene's taking his sweet time again. BYND still halted. Once I get the coffee, that's when things really start moving. That's when things really start moving. Tesla not having a lot of movement either. I'm flipping through these individuals, trying to see if I can find any good setups, any good break and retests, any good levels, but right now, not a whole lot. I'm in no trades currently, just watching. With so many people asking when should they buy BYND, it's almost like it's almost like we're back in the AMC days. There's Gene. Let's go. BYND is moving again. It's unhalted. Gene's got his sweatsuit on. We gotta unlock the door for our boy. Yep, we also have Tesla earnings today. You also have Tesla. It's a tough candle to short. Full body, lower volume. I will not get chopped up in this first 15-minute range. Promise you that. Damn, Grizzly, don't look at Netflix, bro. Thank you, Gene. I got you something. I'm funny, huh? I crack myself up. I think I'm funny sometimes.
You're definitely something.
Guess who's here, Mr. Gene? Butter call, butter ball, booty, 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 booty. Gene's in the house. What? What?
Hey, guess what? My council was still filmed last night.
What?
My council was still
Why?
filmed last night. A limit order was there.
Oh, you forgot to undo a limit?
I was 60 points in the red and 60 points in the green.
Oh, no.
Yeah. With 2 minis. I was down like 2,400.
Damn. That's crazy. That's wild. Jdun and Rake are the only real ones. I love Rake. That's my boy. I appreciate you. Hey, and little morning reminder, if you're new here, we trade live every day. I do my best to find you guys winning trades or at a minimum give you some good education. We either lose small and learn or we win big. Make sure you hit that follow button in the top left corner if you're looking to learn. If you're on TikTok, if you're on YouTube, hit that like button to make sure your notifications are on. That little bell icon right there. Make sure you click that and press all. We're almost at 200 likes, guys. We got 800 people here. We hit over 1,000 people yesterday. We have been grinding. When you preach a good message, when you give good education, when you know what you're doing, when you're helping people learn, that's what you do. You grow. I'm very blessed to help each and every one of you guys be more disciplined, be a little more patient, be a little more focused every day in your trading. We also are going to have in-person live trading on Friday. No one's in a trade.
Yeah, I take it.
270, 240. Then Beyond's ripping again. We had that move down to 5, and now we're at 611 and halted again. So annoying when they do that with the low floats. They just, the penny stocks and small names, they just halt them. I'm not entirely sure what I want to do yet here. As far as the hourly goes, if we can break out of this, I'm not going to say flag formation, but, you know, we do low-key kind of have a hourly bull flag going on here on NQ. Check this out. We're a ways away from the breakout spot up here above 300, but we technically speaking, I'm not a big chart pattern guy, but you almost low-key got like some cup and handle deal going. Got the cup right here, handle, and then you look for the breakout above the previous resistance. So I'm not a big chart pattern guy, but when something's very obvious and you can see a trend forming, I'll at least sometimes acknowledge it and look at it and see, you know, see what it'll give us. It's worth being aware of. Let's see.
My short setup is invalid now. I'm no longer looking for a short entry.
Might be one of those opens like yesterday where we just have to be really patient. All right, our 15-minute range is in. And guess what? My coffee's in too. So once it starts kicking in, just know greatness is on the way. I'm gonna do my absolute best to find y'all a banger.
I like Netflix calls everyone. You have to keep your, you have to manage this trade on your own if you try. It could be a longer topic to play trade, day trade.
What about Netflix?
It confirmed, it confirmed at 9:35 for the long entry. Trying to see what NQ account this bottom, short-term bottom. It's ripping. Got in.
Don't get Grizzly started on the individual names. He'll go off.
I'd like to see 1,164. If we break above that, it's got all kinds of room.
Don't get him started. As a reminder, guys, I appreciate you guys being here. Make sure that if you haven't already, if you're trading with prop firms, you use code Jdun. I have partnerships with Apex. That's who paid me $50K. You can get 50% off with Apex below the YouTube. Alpha Futures is currently my favorite. If I had to say that or FFF, I'll go over why FFF in a second. Other than the new Top Step, you get Tradeovate and Project X. If you're tired of Project X, if you're frustrated with Project X, go back to Tradeovate and use Alpha for it. Same rules as Top Step, but higher payout caps, no scaling, and they offer Tradeovate.
The ideal ad area for Netflix is around 140.
Grizzly's talking. Tradeify offers straight to funded. You can get that link down below, 35% off. And then finally, FFF is 60% off right now. And FFF, don't sleep on it. That's my old firm. They have straight to funded and evals. You can get a 50K eval for, Gene, what's the best deal with FFF right now?
Like $50 for a Premier account with no activation fee.
Yeah, $50 for a Premier account with no activation fee using code JDUN. That is insane. They've paid out over $10 million. And I really like Jay White. I really like the direction they're heading in too. So again, my ultimate goal for you guys is not to be on prop firms forever. I always like to say that and be very transparent about it, but I think they can be very good for building solid experience, following rules, shooting for payouts, and then moving those funds to your own live account. I appreciate when you get support. You can use code JDUN for payout protection if there's ever any problems with your payouts. I got your back. I can reach out to upper management and for the best discounts. I trade live here. My best stream's in Team Boldo. If you want a mentorship for a beginner, I got you, Jorge. It's $0.00. All you have to do is hit like on this live. I mean, you don't have to hit like, but I appreciate it. And click on my free course below in the description. I send people there every day. Why do I send people to my free course? Is it valuable or is it not valuable? If anyone's watched it here, you tell them. Is it worth 3 hours of your life? Is it a good ROI investment on your time? Valuable, yes, worth it. Thank you all, yes. Best 6-hour course out there because it's worth watching twice. My man, let's go. You know what's funny? I never, in the most respectful way, while we're waiting for a trade, my boy Mars, I'm going to call you out for a second because you're in here every day talking tea, saying something negative, yet you show up every day. Why do people that talk shit still show up and watch me every day? That's what I want to know. Like, Jdun, you suck. Jdun, you're horrible. You aren't good at this. Well, you've been here the last 2 weeks. Why are you still showing up then, bro? Hey, why are you still coming, dog? I'm just saying. It's all love for me, baby. I still want to see you win. You can hate me. You can want to see my downfall. You can want to see me losing. But guess what, baby? I still want to see you win. I still want to see you come up because no one that gets on a live stream and hates is happy. And I want to see you happy. I want to see you use trading to fund your dreams, to get your freedom, right? To secure your bag. And I want to see you be happy. So you can hate me as much as you want. You still only getting love from me. That really drives them crazy. That drives them bananas. We did, technically speaking, retest. So we technically speaking, let's look at the inside of the 50 or the 15-minute range. We didn't quite retest. Even if we would have retested down here, I wouldn't have taken it because we have decreasing volume. All right, we got our 15-minute range in on gold too. Don't make me rip a gold trade on this live. Don't make me do it. Don't make me do it. I'll be great. Put your picture on my wall. Beyond's open again. Not doing a whole lot. Tesla, even if we see a good setup on Tesla, it's going to be tough. It's going to be tough to trade, especially for unless you have a massive account where you can trade equity because we have earnings today. So premiums are just jacked. Premiums are juiced. Hey, Team Bull, we will be trading live at the office again Friday too. So if you're in Colorado, we got a packed house coming. We have a packed house coming. Trading live. Trading live with the students. And look at Green Eyes killing the longs. Let's go.
Yeah, nice trade.
That's awesome. Even if I could, it'd all be great. If we get confirmation to the upside, I'm open to trying a long on a pullback. When I see something to enter, guys, I will be very clear and transparent about it. As always. What's good, bro? We don't have any deals to join Team Bull right now, but I appreciate you just being on this live stream. That even just your time and your support means the world. If you'd like to join the squad, you can always DM me on Instagram. Jdun Trades. That's the only place I answer DMs. It's also my most active platform. I got a lot of good value on there. So if you'd like to join Team Bull in the future, if you have questions about it, you can DM me on IG. My discount for FFF is code Jdun. I'm really trying to focus. All right, let's see if we can get a good candle close here and find a nice long entry. Code Jdun, JDUN. I appreciate you guys supporting more than you know. I really want to, before I tell you guys codes and the IG and stuff, I'd really like to find you guys a winning trade. All right, guys, let's see if we can get a candle closure here. It's looking decent. Let's see if we can get this closure here. Low is 48, 83, 71.
You're looking for loans, right?
Yes. Let's see a pullback into the 70s. Trying a small piece of longs, guys. I added a starter piece of longs.
Is anybody in a trade?
I just tried longs. Are you going to try something else?
No, I'm gonna try one.
Yeah, I just tried longs. With stops below 48. So I have like 22 points of risk. I'm willing to add again. And if I add again and I lose, it'll be a full-size loss.
If you're a little closer to this VWAP than I'm
This is the better area down here, near 70.
Actually, I'm gonna start my longs here, everyone. I'm in NQ longs.
I have a hard stop at 47, guys. Got a good fill in that, too. We got the candle closure above. Rising volume. If we go below 48, so to 47, I will get stopped out of this trade for a loss. As of now, it won't be full size. If I add down here, which I may, I'm going to watch price action, then I'll stop out for a full size loss. I haven't added yet, guys. It's a little aggressive selling pressure for me. If we wick up and hold strong, I'll likely add. But right now, I have not added, so I'll let you guys know if I get stopped out below 47, or don't even let you know. You'll just know if we hit 47, I'll get stopped out. If you want a little better entry, you can try here with stops below 47. You have like 15 points of risk. Maybe we're going back. There was like a week straight where I took a loss my first trade of the day every day, and then I would win every trade after. We're for like a week straight. Maybe we're going back to that. Before any trim, I'd like to see high a day. I'd like to see a push above 90. If we close this 5 minute below the 15-minute high, not going to be my favorite. That push down there was a little better entry. My stops are still the same at 47. I have hard stops in, so if we hit 47, I'll stop out for a loss. I'll be over 1 on the day if I lose this trade.
I have my stack stop at 25,248.
Oh, I'm about to get stopped at 47. If it hits 47, I'm out. It's not even about what I want. It's where my hard stop's set. Can always look for re-entry too, but I'm going to follow my original plan. We got 9 seconds left in this candle. It's not looking great as far as what I want to see. I'm moving my stop up a little to 50 now. So I moved it up a few points below this previous 5 minute candle. You know what? I take that back. I'm going to put it at 47. I'm following my original plan. I'm letting it stop me out at 47, or it's going to go high a day. One of the two. I honestly don't love how this candle closed, though. We closed below, so technically it isn't as high probability. We're just below break even, a few points below break even. Well, now it's about 4 points below. I'm following my plan, either stop at 47 or a high a day. If you're worried, we're back at break even, 1 point in profit. If you got the earlier entry or later entry down in the 50s, then you're sitting all right. But I'm following my plan. I'm going to let this trade breathe or stop me out. I'd like to see like 90 for a trim. Come on. Get some strength. There we go. Come on. There we go. Let's get some movement up. I'm going to move my stops up now. I'm going to move my stops up to 52.
You getting high day, Jdun?
I'd like to.
I'm gonna trim it. I would not trim before.
I just moved my stops up a little bit because if we fail this breakout, then my idea is no longer valid. So I took off a little risk.
The previous day point of control we keep getting is 25,280.75. Just keep rejecting.
Hard stops are at 250. We got, depending on your entry, like 10, 15 points out of that. I just wanted more. I wanted high a day. So. I don't want to hear any whiners. If we don't win, we got a move up to 80s and we're ejecting now. So I did not sell up there. No, I wanted higher.
This Netflix, it's falling through this. If this Netflix closes below this daily level, I'm gonna get out of the contract right now.
I don't even know who that is. It's some mix. All right, guys, I'm out of this trade at 50.
And I'm out too.
I'm out of this trade at 50. Sorry, guys. Ended up being a little less of a loss, but we can look for if we break above this previous level, then we can re-enter. But I don't want to deviate from my plan. We got like a 10 plus 11 point move up from 70. But I did not trim that, so. I still actually think the longs could do good work. So even though we went in profit, technically still 0 for 1. I wanted to see higher. I wanted to see high a day out of that to make my R multiple positive. We could reverse OR, but it doesn't really fit my criteria because of the volume. It's all right. What I want, my main focus for y'all is to see what it looks like to follow your plan. Even if you're in profit, green is not always green. If I'm consistently just seeing green and taking green, yeah, like on a trade like this, it would have been nice. But what if I would have sold it and then I would have gotten my price target and trended up, right? I care more about catching the trend days and catching the bigger moves than, fulfilling my ego one day and having a green day. We went up, just not enough for me to take profit. We'll wait. We'll find another good one. We might need to call in reinforcements, guys. We might need to call in grandma. I still like longs over. Well, I'm kind of mixed right now. Grandma, we need reinforcements. We need a win. Since I can't decide, let grandma make the decision. Yeah, we choose DOD. We're chilling. Just got approved for an Apex payout. 37.40. Nice job, Dan Nee. That's amazing, Dan. Congratulations. Almost 4 racks from Apex. Which, as a reminder, you guys can always use code Jdun for payout protection. You see lots of people rocking with Team Bull getting paid out from Apex. Another student gets paid out. We've had more and more students getting paid out. Love to see it. I like Tradeovate. You know how I know I'm getting old? I'm getting new blinds across my house today, and I am so psyched. All right, let's see if this gives us another entry. Blinds are expensive now, for real. I spent a grip. Like, for real, spent a grip of cash. I didn't get remote open. No, I got hand. I don't mind. I'm not that bougie. They were nice. I paid like 14 G's or something crazy. Got some blackouts for the office, blackouts for the for my room. All right, let's see if this confirms for another long entry. I still don't hate the longs. I just really wanted to follow my plan. I mean, it would have stopped me out regardless. There's no situation where that doesn't stop me out. It's easy to say, like, oh, you know, like, look at that, Jen. You should have just held it. Like, well, if I get used to holding through my plan stop right here, what stops me from holding down to here, right? That's why even if you get stopped by a few points, you have to make sure you're always following your plan. That's what keeps you profitable long term. That's what keeps me in this game long term.
You considering longs again here, Jdun?
I'm watching. I'm not super eager to, but I'm certainly open to the idea if we get confirmation. Yeah, Nigel, right? I paid 14K because I have a lot of windows in my house, because I have a lot of windows, like a lot. It's not like I just got some super gold plated blinds. I didn't even get the motors. Appreciate y'all being here, everyone. Make sure, as a reminder, you're choosing discipline over dopamine today. Trade smart, trade safe. And thank you for rocking with me. I hope you guys join this stream every day and you get a sense of peace. You get a sense of discipline. You get a sense of keeping promises to yourself that you will follow your plan and you will trade smart and trade safe. That's what I want you doing every day here. I want you focusing on getting payouts, following your rules. And I think for that reason, that's why we've had so many students getting payouts. What's up, dog? Get your espresso?
No, it's not working. I don't know what's up with the machine.
I don't plan on it. I might go on a vacation the 7th through the 14th. I've been needing a vacay, but I may stream a little bit while I'm gone. I might not. We'll see. Of November. Yeah, longs are out of the picture for now. Until we build above this 15-minute high and confirm with volume, longs are out of the picture for me. SPY's really flat today. This is terrible. Look at SPY's action. I don't like this heater on, Gene. I haven't had it on this morning. It is kind of chilly in here, low key. All right. Let's see. I'm still watching individuals too. Tesla's the earnings, so I'm pretty much out of not going to trade Tesla today. Gold isn't really having any crazy moves today. I got a DM the other day. Someone was like, Jdun, I really need help. It's serious. And so I saw it. I was like, all right, what we got? I mean, I get asked for stuff every day. He goes, he goes, I need 10K. My Greg's in the shorts. I'll tell that after a second. Greg in the shorts, entry 232. We got one more minute in this 5-minute candle. We close it strong. I'll look for shorts in the next pop up. I'm open to it. We are bouncing off this 50% midline. I always want to keep those key levels intact. Greg's in the shorts. Greg got in at 232 in Team Bull. I'm watching for shorts. I'm open to it. How much do you make every day? It depends. Some days I make nothing. Some days I lose money. But some days I make, 10 grand. Just depends. My biggest day ever is 88,000. It's all transparent, done live. There's no, can't post screenshots when you're doing it live, There you go, Greg. Nice job so far, bro. Damn, my boy. Yep, just hit that follow button. You can also DM me on Instagram if you have any questions. JDUN Trades. Jdun Trades on IG. JDUN Trades. That's where I answer all DMs and questions. It's the only place I answer DMs, not here on YouTube or TikTok. Or even in Team Bull DMs. I'm testing a piece of shorts up here, guys. It's a little higher risk. Here at 27. I don't like that we're balancing this one low, but I did try a little piece up there with my worst case scenario stops at 57. We had the aggressive impulse candle. If we end up buying this candle back, closing strong, I'll stop it out early. But my worst case scenario is we go above this previous 5-minute high. I like this whole 30 area. This is the area I like right here. Just starter size again, not full size. I'll let you know if I add to make it full size, but I'd like to see a push, a failure to go higher and a push below low a day. If we end up getting a strong candle close here, I'll just stop it early for like a 10-point loss or something like that. And I'll be 0 for 2, be down. Well, first trade is a little. I'll be down probably around $1,000. This is my favorite area here, guys. This 35-ish with stops above 57. If we're going to find a lower high intraday, it's right here. If we close this candle with higher volume and a strong close, I'll stop out early. But you don't. Let's see here. I don't love how this is looking on the 1-minute chart. If we close this 5-minute stronger, I'm going to stop out early. I'm not liking how this is looking with volume. Let's see here. I will not be chopped up to death in this 15-minute range. I'm going to stop this at break even right here, guys. 30. I stopped at 1 point above entry. I don't like how this 5-minute candle closed. I'll look for re-entry, but I did stop it down there at break even. This is the area. This is the entry area. I don't love how this trade played out with that 5-minute candle, so I personally am not in. I got out of that trade, guys. We might see a dump, which is fine with me because it doesn't follow my system. We closed above the pre-market low. We closed above 50% retracement, higher volume on this 5-minute candle. So given these circumstances, I'm going to wait. If we get a close below the pre-market low, I'll look for re-entry, but I'm not going to try to enter this or be in this trade just because I'm in the trade, right? If it doesn't follow the system. We'll wait for a better entry. I don't trust it. Not quite yet. It could work out, but it doesn't. I don't fully trust it. Let's see. For Tesla 438. Gold's going to move down too. I still prefer shorts over longs, but I don't love how that last 5-minute candle played out. So staying super patient. Wow. Wow, that's the move I wanted, but that candle shook me out. If we get the strong close here again, I'll look for one more pop up and try shorts and target low a day. This is the move I wanted. That candle just shook me out. How lame of that candle. Wow. Are you seeing that, Gene? Close that trade at break even. Wow. I mean, at least I didn't take a loss, but wow. That hurts. I mean, not really because I followed my plan, but that's what I wanted to see. That's what I thought was going to come. Just did me dirty. 5 minutes shook me out. It's all right. We'll find it again. If it happens once, it'll happen again. I'm glad to see that what I thought was going to happen happened, though. I mean, that's cool, right? Trying one more piece of shorts up here. Or whoops. Okay, now there we go. I tried the shorts up here, guys. One more small piece. One more try there at pre-market high. There we go. So far, so good. Push it down. We want below 80 for a trim. There we go. I'm going to take a little off here at 80, guys. Below 80. There we go. Come on. Flush us to low a day now. Come on. What a sniper entry up there, baby. Come on. Give us low a day. Give me low a day. Come on. Saddle up and slap me and call me Sally. Give me low a day. Come on. All right, my hard stops are at break even. Let's get this low a day. Come on. Flush 73. I want to see us dead. Yo! 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 Trim. Let's go! Yes! Yeah, baby! Yo! That's what I'm talking about. This market thought it was going to shake me out. You thought, baby. Let's go. Yo. We are green machine on the day, baby. Yo. Instant 50-point plus trade. Instant trade. I'm still on my runners, guys. I'm still on my runners. Move your stops up. Well, you manage your own trade, but put your put your stops at minimum break even, and let's let this ride into absolute oblivion. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about. Yo, that is what I'm calling discipline over dopamine, guys. We stayed patient, lost the first trade, got stopped out at break even on the second, didn't force anything, and caught an absolute nuker on the retest of pre-market low. That's what I'm talking about, baby. That is DOD. On 3A. Yo, I gotta know, Team Bull. If y'all are riding this trade with me, if y'all caught this, if y'all went red to green, let's get some energy moving in the chat. How much y'all make off that? Give me some numbers. What are we sitting at, my friends? We're up 60 points. How are we sitting, Team Bull? Talk to me in chat. Post some gains. How much y'all up off that trade? 1,500, 99, 55, 64, 67, 700. 700. Let's go. 560, 850. Down 280 to green. 450 y'all up. 853. 200. Let's go. 609. Bing bong, baby. Bing bong. We're about to get a mega trade, guys. We're about to get an absolute mega trade. This market thought it had us. It thought it had us in the first. Oh, no. It did not have us. It really thought so. It did not have us. It had something. Not us, though. That is what I'm talking about. That is DOD. That is not forcing trades or doing stupid things. We saw the setup. We stayed patient. We waited for the pre-market low retest. And we got the bang. That's what I'm talking about, baby. That is what we like to see. Gene! What are you doing? What? Oh. Mr. Gene Blaze. Wanna be a baller. Baller. That was so awesome. That was so awesome, guys. Live in real time. Every day, VPA, baby. VPA and key levels. That's all you need. You have VPA and you have key levels, you're going to be good to go. All right, come on here. Let's see this here. Let's change that around. Let's move these charts a little bit. All right, let's go. Oh my gosh, we're about to get mega trade, guys. We're about to get mega trade. Literally points. Points. Let's go. Mega trade achieved, guys. Mega trade achieved. That might have been my quickest mega. Thank you, Greg. That might have been the quickest mega trade I've ever called out. Ever. Wanna be a baller, shot caller. $100-point trade, Gene. 100-point trade. Literally pre-market low entry.
That's crazy.
Or almost pre-market low entry. Close to it. Literally nuclear. Nuclear. Let's go. If y'all got them, I need y'all to post them gains. The post your gains section. Where's my music? Where'd my music go? Where'd my music go? Where'd my music go? So awesome. We make love to her windows. That was great, guys. I'm having a lot of fun with y'all. I'm having a lot of fun. Be great.
Good job, Mr. Jennings.
Gnarly Charlie. Gnarly Charlie, baby. We made some major progress today. Major. Wish I would have been full size on that, but damn, that was awesome. That was amazing, guys. That was amazing. And all I ask is if you guys do get value from these lives, you tap in. If you're on YouTube, hit that subscribe. If you're on TikTok, hit that like. I give my trades to you every day, and you see what happens. A lot of the time. Not all the time, but a lot of the time. Not all the time, but a lot of the time. See how tapping at that follow button? I try to teach you guys today. I mean, guys, it was textbook. We had the retest of pre-market low, which was right here. I marked out on the screen. And then dump back down. Come on, screen. This is not so bad. I want to see each and every one of y'all post your gains. Hey, come on. If y'all made some money today, use $20 of it for a Team Bull shirt. Get yourself up. Take one more decision out of your day. Order yourself some Team Bull merch. Get yourself a nice, big, beautiful Discipline Over Dopamine representing Team Bull shirt. We'll get them shipped out today. Live from the HQ. Wake up every day and represent greatness. Represent being incredible. I just posted the link in YouTube. Just passed 2 evals on Apex. Thanks, brother. Yup, you're welcome, bro. This is the merch link, guys. Go get yourself a Team Bull shirt. Come on. We don't even really make money off the merch. I just like y'all wearing it. I just like y'all having it. We have a lot of it. So come on.
And we enjoy shipping them out. I really do like doing that.
I know. Gene loves serving y'all merch. Gene loves serving y'all merch. Your bald head needs a Team Bull beanie. Hop in the private. That was so awesome, guys. Oh, yeah, the guy who I got a DM from this guy who wanted 10K for his family. I was like, all right, what's going on? I mean, I get DMs